Sturdy enough to break a car window. Includes seat belt cutter to ensure you aren't trapped in the vehicle. Includes mounting bracket for quick deployment. Easy to spot bright red coloring. Simple solution for rapid emergency exiting of a vehicle. Perfect for emergency exit of your vehicle. Window hammer to break the window and seatbelt cutter for quick exit. Comes with mounting bracket. Top reviews from the United States. Works great. Cuts well. Really good and helpful. Tested and it works great. It cuts seatbelt well. I installed one in my semi-truck on the door. It can be a big help to you or help others as well.